Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Insider Intelligence. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Insider Intelligence, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Insider Intelligence on this list. Insider Intelligence includes daily research articles, analyst reports, and a database of e-business and online marketing statistics aggregated and analyzed from over 2,800 sources. Topics include market research and trend analysis on internet, e-business, online marketing, media, and emerging technologies. This is the Insider Intelligence homepage. At the very top of the page, you'll find a search bar where you can quickly search by keyword. Directly below the search bar is the navigation menu where you can browse by industry, such as e-commerce, technology, and more. Further down the page, you'll find featured and upcoming content, followed by the latest reports and forecasts. Let's do a keyword search using the search bar at the top of the page. We'll type artificial intelligence into the search bar. Notice that Insider Intelligence provides search results as you type. You can either select one of the suggested results or click on the search button to view a complete list of results. For this example, we'll click Search. Our initial search returned just over 1,400 results. We can use the filters at the top of the page to further limit our results by geography, content type, topic, industry, demographics, and publication date. For example, let's select Europe under Geography. We'll also limit to Marketing under Topic. This brings our total down to a much more manageable number. By default, we're shown all results, but we can choose to view only analysis, content in written, audio, and video format, or data, charts, and forecasts. We can also choose to sort the results by relevance or by date. Each result will list the title, a brief description, the content type, and the publication date. If we hover over the result title, we'll get a preview of the content before opening so we can see if it's something we're interested in. Let's open this report on ChatGPT and generative AI in banking at the top of the list. Along the right side of the page, you'll find the table of contents that allows you to quickly navigate to different areas of the report from the executive summary to the sources. Below the table of contents, you'll find topics related to the report, recommended content to read next, and related charts and analysis. If you're interested in downloading or printing the report, look for the PDF icon located above the table of contents at the top of the page. Please note that download options may vary depending on the content type. Let's return to the home page and take a brief look at one of the latest forecasts. On the left side of the page, we can choose how we want to view the data. We can also customize the information we'd like to include in the chart by adding or removing data from the table. Once we've created the chart we're looking for, we can easily edit the title and export as a PNG or as an Excel spreadsheet. Now you know how to access Insider Intelligence, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parrish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parrish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.